Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x plus y is equal to 1, x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 is equal to 17 to find the values of x and y. In the first step, in here we have x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4. So, if we have x squared plus y squared to the power of 2, this is equals to x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus 2x squared times y squared, right? So, in here, we take these 2x squared y squared to this side, and it will be x squared plus y squared to the power of 2 minus this 2x squared y squared is equals to x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4. So, in here we have x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4, and this is equals to this. So, we substitute this in this equation, and it will be, right, this, we substitute this in here, and it will be x squared plus y squared to the power of 2 minus 2x squared y squared. This is equals to this, and it's equals to 17. So, in here we have x squared plus y squared, and as you know, if we have x plus y to the power of 2, this is equals to x squared plus y squared and plus 2xy, right? So, in here we take this 2xy to this side, and it will be x plus y to the power of 2 minus 2xy is equals to x squared plus y squared. So, in here we have x squared plus y squared, and this is, from this equation, is equals to this. So, we substitute in this equation x squared plus y squared, we write x plus y to the power of 2 minus 2xy and to the power of 2 minus 2x squared y squared. 2x squared y squared is equals to 17. And here we have x plus y, and from this equation, x plus y is equals to 1. So, we substitute in here. 1 to the power of 2 is 1. 1 minus 2xy to the power of 2 and minus 2x squared y squared. We can write x squared y squared as xy to the power of 2, right? Is equals to 70. In here, we have xy and xy, so we let xy as t. So, we rewrite this equation, and it will be 1 minus 2t to the power of 2 minus 2t squared is equals to 17. And this to the power of 2, it will be 1 plus 4t squared and minus 4t, right? This to the power of 2 plus this to the power of 2, and minus 2 times 1 times 2t, it will be 40. And minus 2t squared is equals to 70. And here it will be 4t squared minus 2t squared, it will be 2t squared and minus 40. And here we have 1, we take this 17 to this, so it will be negative 17. So 1 minus 17, it will be negative 16 is equals to 0. And here we divide both of this equation by 2, so this divided by 2, it will be t squared minus this divided by 2, 2t, and this divided by 2, it will be 8 is equals to 0. And here we have quadratic equation, and we use quadratic formula, which is t is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is coefficient of t squared is 1, and b is coefficient of t is negative 2, and c is constant is negative 8. So, t is equals to negative b, negative 2, it will be positive 2, 2 plus or minus square root of b square, negative 2 square is 4, and minus 4ac, 4 times a is 1, and c is negative 8, over 2a, 2a is 2, and it will be 2 plus or minus square root of, in here negative times negative, it will be positive, so 4 plus 4 times 1 times 8, it will be 32 over 2. 4 plus 32 is 36, and the square root of 36 is 6, right? So we can write this as 6. So we have two answers for t. T is 2 plus 6, it will be 8 over 2 is 4, and t is 2 minus 6, it will be negative 4, and over 2 it will be negative 2. So we let this as t1 and this as t2. And next step, if we recall, xy is t. So right in here, xy is equals to t, and for t1 we write in here, for t1 is 4. For t1 is equals to 4, xy is equals to 4, right? And from this equation, x plus y is equals to 1. So we write in here, x plus y is equals to 1. And if we take x to this side, it will be y is equals to 1 minus x, right? So we substitute in this equation, and we can write x times y. Y is 1 minus x. 1 minus x is equals to 4, right? And we write in here, x times 1, it will be x, and x times negative x, it will be negative x squared, is equals to 4. And we let these two part to this side, and it will be x squared minus x plus 4 is equals to 0. And here we have a quadratic equation, and in here if we write the discriminant formula, which is discriminant is b squared minus 4ac, and a is coefficient of x squared is 1, and b is coefficient of x is negative 1, and c is constant is 4. So if we substitute this value in this equation, discriminant is equals to b squared is 1, negative 1 squared is 1, minus 4ac. 4 times a is 1, and c is 4. So in here it will be 1 minus 16, and 1 minus 16 it will be negative 15, and discriminant is less than 0. So in here we have no real solution. So for t1 is equals to 4, we have no real solution. And in next step, we write t2 is equals to negative 2. So we write in here, if t2 is negative 2, so xy is equals to t, is equals to negative 2, and x plus y is equals to 1, right? From this equation, x plus y is equals to 1. And here, y is 1 minus x, and from this equation, x times y is 1 minus x. 1 minus x is equals to negative 2. And we write in here, x times x is x, and x times negative x, it will be negative x squared, is equals to negative 2. And we take these two part to this side, so it will be x squared minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. And here we use quadratic formula, and if we write discriminant formula is b squared minus 4ac. In here, a is coefficient of x squared is 1, and b is coefficient of x is negative 1, and c is negative 2, right? So discriminant is equals to b squared is negative 1 squared is 1 minus 4 times a is 1, and times c is negative 2. And in here, discriminant is equals to 1 minus negative times negative will be positive, so 1 times 1, 4 times 1 times 2, it will be 8, and 1 plus 8 is 9. So From discriminant is 9, and our answer for x from quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus square root of discriminant, right? Discriminant over 2a. So negative b, negative 1 is positive 1 plus or minus square root of b, the square root of discriminant is 9 and over 2a, 2a is 2. And from here it will be 1 plus or minus square root of 9 is 3 over 2. So in here we have two answers for x. x1 is 1 plus 3 is 4 and over 2 is 2. And x2 is 1 minus 3 is negative 2 and over 2 is negative 1. And from here, y is 1 minus x. So from here, for x1, y1 is 1 minus x. And 1 minus x is 2. So 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So from here, for x1 and y1, we have 2 and negative 1. This is our first answer. And for x is negative 1, y2 is 1 minus x. So it will be 1 minus x. X is negative 1. And it will be 1 negative times negative to positive. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So our second answer for x2, y2 is negative 1 and 2. And this is our second answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.